Hello guys, it's good to have you guys back on the stream. I think this is basically the first time this month I'm trading. I'm even streaming. I think the last trade I placed, I think it was around February. I sent out the last trade. Let me confirm about it. Okay, the last I sent out was February 3rd, and it was actually a good trade on gold. The sell, a massive sell, and we caught over 100 people in it. So this is another trade which I'm about to call out. But the problem here is it's just 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. So I'm going to update the group now, telling them to delete the sell stop and wait for the candle to close. It's actually going to be the same entries, but just delete it for now and wait for the candle to close while I explain the trade. It's just, like I see, it's just 2 minutes left. So I'm going to explain the trade now, and hopefully we get something nice out of it and we make some money today. So that's just the idea about it, and we are onto it now. Onto it now. So good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Let me send out the link. Let me take this out because I've posted deleted link each trade. Let me send out the link to the community. Let me send it to people, and I know we're live so we can get more people tune in to the live right now, because it's about time, guys. So let me see if I can share the link. We have nobody currently here, so let's see if we can share the link to people. So 1 more minute, 30 seconds, and we're going. We're live. We're live now. So um let's break down the street. I've not talked about anything in gold for a while now, because gold has been extreme volatile. We have a lot of big candles. I haven't been dropping any content at all whatsoever. I've been busy. I've been worked up with a lot of things that I've not had time to actually come to you guys, and I've not had time to come to you guys and actually talk to you guys about trading and everything per se. So please, I need you guys to please forgive me for not being my best with you guys. But I'm just here. I'm just a man doing my own thing. I have my own demons too I'm facing. Even though I see final time to come out and call out some beautiful trade for you guys, I still have my own thing I'm going through. So let's go over to Forest Factory first of all, and let's check what is going on over there. Then we continue from where we stop. We have no news event today, but we have on Tuesday we have bank holiday, on Wednesday, but doesn't affect us. Then we have on Thursday, and we have on Friday. You can see we have the USD used core retail sales by 2:30 tomorrow Nigeria time. Then on Wednesday we have unemployment rates, and we have CPI on Friday. We also have unemployment claim on Thursday as well. So this is all the events we have, and that's it. So this candle has closed bullish, but I'm still not going to partake in it. I'm just going to wait for the 30 minutes, because the 30 minutes looks better, and we have about 200 people to the downside, 250 people to the downside. So hope you guys, everybody, to cut your losses short, like cut your position short on gold, cut your position short. Don't go over risking, don't go trading how you're not supposed to trade. But this trade might actually play out from here. If you're trading like a 5K account, are we is now I will advise you to actually start calculating your risks, calculate how much you place per trade. Normally, you guys know that I usually use like free slots. Okay, this trade might flip bearish and start pushing to the downside, but today is Monday, so I don't want to be that person that will call out that trade. And but based on the 30 minutes, this is actually a very very good trade, and it might just play out perfectly well, because it's breaking the low. But do I want to enter this trade? Do I want to? Has it broken? Yeah, it's breaking the low, man. This trade is going. It's going to go. Let's see. Can I call it out on time? Can I call it out on time? To retrace. If we break the low again, I think I should be in. Let me give it. Let me give it a. Let me give it a risky go. If it breaks the low again, I should get into this trade. If it breaks the low again, break the low one more time. Let me see if I can call it out. Mind your risk, guys. Don't go risking too much. Don't go risk. So I'm going to show you guys how to calculate your risks by the account you have, but I'm not doing anything less than, if it's your account is not above 1k 5k, I'm not doing that with you. So that's just the info I need you guys to know. So I just entered the trade. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. So this is my first trade for the month. It's not yet active yet. It's not yet active, but I'm considering it right now. So it's about to get activated. Yeah, but active now. The trade just got active, and let's see how that goes. Let's see how it runs through TP or stop loss quickly. So I have about 90 pip stop. So let me adjust it. Let me update the group. It's about 97 pip stop loss on this trade. So let's see. Just still our entry. Trade is active. So let's see. And it's based on the 30 minutes. This trade is based on the 30 minutes. Well, anything can happen because the 15 minutes has no the 15 minutes has no top week, so just freak slow. Well, based off the 30 minutes, is looking like a good opportunity, and the trade might actually play out. Trade might actually play out. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. We're in profit. It's pushing downwards. We're back in profit. We're about I think around close to 20. We're pushing right now. Pushing now, guys. We're close to 40 people. So let's see where we can move our stop loss to break even. Well, okay, we're just at 25 people. I got a late entry on my phone. Let's see. So we're in profit, guys. We're in profit already. We're in profit. Price is moving. You're at 35 pip, close to 40 pip in profit. So let's see if we're gonna get that massive win today. Let's see if we get a massive win. Let's see. So at this point, you can look to, if you want to play safe, or you can see the risk reward is not the best. But if you want to play safe, this is the 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Trade is active, we're in profit already. But if you want to play safe, you can move your stop loss to BE. And this is Monday. You get me? This is Monday, so you don't want to lose. You don't want to start your week losing any trades or anything. Do you get me? But this is a 97 pip stop loss, so I feel like price is going to push. At least let's get to. I feel like market is going to get to this point, if at all. You're going to get to this point, and that is around that's around 90 pips. So that should be where you should start looking, like at least fill up this week. That we should look to. This is the 15 now, but I'm moving between 15 and 30 minutes. The entry itself is of the 30 minutes time frame. The entry itself is the 30 minutes. It's a 30 minutes setup. Setup is the 30 minutes. So in profit, let's see. Like I said, move your stop to BE. You can be just play safe. You can play safe if you want. But me, like I've given guys the best advice I can do. You can play safe on this trade. Like play safe so you don't lose what you're not supposed to lose. You get me? Play safe. You can play safe. Take out some positions, reduce your risks, just play safe. So I was about to tell you guys how to calculate risks. I don't even know the app they use. Let me just type something. FOREX risks calculator. Okay, something has come up there. So let's see which one Let's see which one is which. Let's see which one is which right now. So let's baby pips has calculator. I didn't know that, and I'm always sending that to people to use to um okay, let's do this. The pair we're trading is gold. So let's go for gold. So this is what we're going to be using now most of the time. Um it's not showing gold is not there. How come gold is not there? This is not nice. Gold is not there. Gold is not there. Let's use another one. Let's use okay. My Facebook is back, like the OG of it. So this is the thing. This is 30 minutes. The 5 minutes is giving something nice, like break of structure, retest, going to push down something. But just play it safe. This is the best thing I can tell you guys. You guys should play it safe. You understand? You can take out some position. If you feel for more, you can push something out. But me, I'm leaving the trade actually. So if I get stopped out in it, I'm fine. But today is Monday. Now I'm advising you guys, like I'm giving you guys a proper advice. You understand? You can play safe and take out some position from this trade because this trade gold has been moving like a crazy, very crazy. So you can do. I'm using a very low position, so I don't mind actually taking the loss. It's not going to be any fraction on anything if I take a loss. But if you know that taking this loss will touch you, so be mindful. So I decided to go on the very low leaks this Monday morning. So that's it. But the trade pushed down about 40 pips. I actually saw 40 pip movement to the downside. You understand? Even close to 57. But I'm holding this trade. I'm holding it till it gets to wherever I want to get to. So I'm just holding it. I'm actually holding the trade. So that's all I can say. Either you stop me out or you move to my TP. But I'm also going to show you guys when I feel like this trade is no longer going to be valid and how I'm going to manage the trade as well if I feel like the trade is going to go against me or something. So it's breaking the lows now and it's going to push. And I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know when me myself also is going to be moving my stop to BE if the trade is going my way. Like I said, if the trade is going my way, so it's just open for the best. So let's okay. My Forex book has opened. My FS book has opened. So let's go over to calculating our risks. Let's see how we can calculate our risks today. And let's do that. Let's do that. Continue to my FS book. Okay, so the pair we are looking at is what? Gold. So let me see if gold is there. So gold there. The gold is there. Okay, good. So this trade, we have about 90, 97. How about 97? Okay, what's gonna happen now in this 5 minutes is if this 5 minutes break above this high, yeah, I'm going to manage. I'm going to close 50% of my position. Because if this 5 minutes count now break above this is high, so it's going to be like in um 30 pips. So I'm going to close part of my positions on this trade. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So for now, I'm just going to hold on and I'm just going to hold on and see how it plays out. But for now, there's nothing I'm going to do. I hope you guys can hear me, Sha. Hope you guys can hear me. So if it breaks above that high, I'm closing off some position. Yeah, let's go back to our forex calculator. So this is gold, and the position size I'm looking at is 5k. So let's say 5k. That's your position size. So let's swap it to money. Let's say I want to take a risk of my risk per trade is around let's say $70 per trade. So I'm looking like $70 per trade, and my stop loss is 97. My stop loss today was 97. So 97. Then I hit calculate. Okay, where's the results? Where's my loss size? Something is not happening here, like it's not loading properly. Hold on, guys. Let's see. calculates. Let's reload the page. So for this trade, let's see how the 15 minutes close. If 15 minutes close bullish, like close below this low, then it's going to be a very, very, very good valid point. So and but regardless of that, I'm about to close some position now because I can and I will, because it's not doing what I want. But it's not broken up. It's almost about to break. So I'm going to close the moment to break. You understand? So you guys saw 50 pip. I hope you guys close when you guys saw 50 pip. It's not every day we get 50 pip on gold. It's not every day you guys get 50 pip on gold. So let's swap some money. Okay, nice. I think it's better now. So the account size is 5k. 5k. So the risks on the table is $70 per trade. Stop loss is 97. So if we calculate our risks, okay, it's showing you your sizing. So it means that um it should be risking. Is this correct? You say we should use 0.07. This is 0.07. Means by using 0.0 our cents. So let's calculate that. Let me bring out my calculator. Let me know if I'm speaking sense or I'm speaking rubbish. My system seems to be working. I seems to be working, guys. 1 second. Calculator. What's Google doing now? Okay. Still on it. I haven't closed anything. Just still observing the trade and hoping it close the way I want. Okay, this is actually another attempt for entries if people have not entered any trade or price stopped you out of BE. So you wait for price to pull up, and after it pulled up and is retracing, you can sell. So I'm going to actually hold on to this trade a little bit longer because I like the way it's about to close. So we can most likely make some money off this trade. So let's hold up and let's see. Let's hold up and let's see. Let's hold up and let's see, guys. Back in profits. So this is London open now. London just open. Let's see, and it's already pushing down without no top week. So that's bad. That's actually bad for this trade. It's bad for us actually. We need to actually see price create a top week. Actually need to see price create a top week. Actually need to see price create a top week before pushing to the downside. We actually need to see price create that top week. Well, I'm actually trying to bring out my calculator so I can calculate this thing. I'm actually trying to bring out my calculator. So this is trade now in 15 minutes. It's pushing up. Crazy push. Can we get that pushing down now? That's good enough. But can we get that pushing down now? I'm not closing anything again because of the way the candle closed. But this is risky for me. Let's look at it. Let's look at it on the 1 hour. Let's look at it on the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is still good. 1 hour is still very good. What time frame is telling me price can likely push down. There's a possibility of price pushing downwards. So I will just see hold on to it and see how that plays out. I'll see hold on to it and see how that plays out. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Like I said, I already have the risks I put on the table is something I can manage. I don't mind taking the L. It's not going to be anything actually. So, but regardless, okay. Back to our calculation here. Back to our calculation. So this is the loss position they're showing us. So basically, means we're going to use like 0.7 cents. So let's times it with 97, which is our stop loss. So you see, this is our risks on the table, and this is what we're going to be risking because it's close to $70. That is it. So always use my FS book calculator. I'm going to be using it now constantly on gold because I want us to be using like a fix, like you can use a fixed rigs you want to use. But I'm going to be constantly using this now to calculate our rigs on our trades. So just build more discipline around our entries and our trades. So that is the whole idea about it. That's the whole idea about it. So see on the trade, it's not going our way at all. But I think I'm going to actually look to manage my position a bit. It's not going our way at all. It's pushing up, like it's going up. So I'm actually closing something now. I'm closing some position now because it has broken above the 15 minutes. Although the 15 minutes they have a top week, so it could be just price creating a top week to fall to the downside. So that could be an option, but it has a very strong bullish momentum. So I feel like I'm going to get out of this trade now. This was a nice trade, I won't lie. It's a well breakdown trade. This is a normal trade I'll enter any day of the week. Like I'll enter it any day of the week. But the problem here is that if we had waited for we got stopped out, guys. If I waited for the 30 minutes, we wouldn't have got into this trade at all. Do you understand? But we enter the trade from this level and we got around 50 people, and I told you guys to close some position if you feel like you want to get out of this trade. So I call that a trade. I make sure you guys see how you guys were meant to manage the trade. I showed you guys the whole thought process about it, but the trade wasn't just about to go our way. So that was basically it. That's basically it, guys. So for now, the trade is no longer valid. It's done and dusted. So let's clear everything and let's wait. Now we wait because we are also in a range. We are also in a range in gold. Also in a range in gold. So let's wait, guys. We're waiting. I've taken one L or one BE trade for today. So wait. So you have any question for me, you can shoot me the question. You can ask me. I'm here to answer any uncomfortable and any question at all. I'm here to actually answer any question. So this is a trade attempt was good, but it wasn't going the direction we wanted it to go. So that being said, Looking at it from the 1 hour, um price is just price can still fall. I'm not gonna lie, price can still fall. We have a double top formation here. Price can still fall. We have also a break of structure here, or this could also be a fake out. So we're waiting to see exactly what inspires, like exactly how this plays out at the end of the day. So let me calculate something. Let me calculate something. Let me calculate something, guys. So let's see. That's 0.7 times. Waiting, guys. So I don't think I will likely get any other opportunities, but we'll wait and see how that plays out. Wait and see. I have like other things I need to do. Like I'm even behind the time. I'm supposed to start what I needed to do. But we're still here. I'm still here for like the next 15 to 30 minutes to see if we get an opportunity. But gold is cooking up properly, yeah. It's cooking up properly for buys, but I don't think I would want to buy gold from this point. But it's cooking up properly for buys here, and you can see it. But I don't think I want to place a buy on gold now. So let's do a breakdown. I just came and I gave you guys a signals, but let's do a breakdown on gold, and let's do a breakdown on gold, guys. Let's do a breakdown. So this is gold daily time frame. Let's start from daily. Today's let's start from the weekly. Let's see how the previous week ended, then we work our way through from there. So how did the previous week end? Gold has been very volatile. We have a lot of bullish momentum. For the longest, we had a bearish move and we had a bullish close. So we are back into the bullish side. So it's basically like a correction move. Price retested, try to retest this level, retest this level. So it's more like a break and retest. So if I go to my daily time frame, I feel like I'm going to see a proper retest of the structure, which is price coming down here, testing this level, and we came back up. So let's go over to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what's going on the 4 hours. So you see the 4 hours price pushed up, came back here, failed to break this low, indicating that there's a very high level that price would actually want to continue pushing to the upside. And what else the price do? Price hasn't broken above this level yet, so we have to wait. So once we see a break of this 4 hours resistance, that indicates a massive change of structure, and price has continued its bullish run to the upside. So that's basically what's going on. Yeah, so let's go over to our 1 hour time frame and let's see exactly what we can let's see what we can see. So this is our just my resistance to this upside, and this current 1 hour two has its own resistance. So I'm going to put up the resistance here, and with a lot of volume, market can move crazy. So that's one thing I know about this pairs. Hold on, I'm trying to charge my phone, it's not charging. Okay, it's good now. It's good now. Hold on, guys. All right, where was I? So we can see some bullish momentum from this side. So we attempted a sell because we got a double top formation and price broke below a structure and there was a level where price would cover the range from, and we got a little push, but it wasn't good enough. And maybe we'll have waited for the 15 minutes close because he had a bearish, we had this 15 minutes strong bullish and a bearish closure. So if you have waited for the 15 minutes, we probably wouldn't have gotten into this trade. But I also let them know that, let people, whoever was in the stream or whoever called the stream or called the buys when I call it out, to secure trades or move stops to break even when we got around 50 pip to the downside. So this was exactly my analysis and what I call out on gold today. So what we're waiting for now is that, since the overall bias is bullish, we can, and we are seeing this 15 minutes pushing up with a very strong momentum, we can anticipate another buys, open opportunities on gold for a bullish run. And let's wait for the candle to close. So after we get the closure in the next 2 minutes, okay, 2 minutes, then we can look to place a trade and see if we can make any money from that. So let me record that trade. I think I'll record it like, I think I'll record it as a loss, a BE. Let me, it's a BE trade because I made sure you guys use it. So I'll record it as a BE. Doesn't count for me, but I'll put it on my record system as BE. As a loss though. So that's about it. So let's see if this candle will close properly, and we can look to press a trade and make some money today. Let's see. Let's just wait. Let's just wait for this candle to close. Like, you guys can hear me. If you're active, you can just let me know you can hear me. You're active, and we know exactly what we are doing. So that's all I can say. Few seconds left. Okay, got it close. Got it close. Got it close. Now we need a bearish momentum to the downside. We need candle pushing to the downside and breaking the highs. But if we break the highs now, we can't enter the trade. You need a stop loss so we can have a decent target. So we need the price actually pushing down. Then we, once it breaks the high, I'm no longer, unless you just break it a little and come back down, which should be good. But if you just start pushing up like that, I'm not interested in trade at all. And I will just round up a stream at this point. I just round up a stream. So let's see if we get that push down first. Then we can look to buy. All right, guys, the trade is moving upward. Let me take my loss, my chest, and go about my day. So the gold trade is pushing upward right now. So that's about it. It's around 30 people already. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, I have a lot of things I need to do. I need to just go back to what I was doing. That's what I've been taking my time. That's why I've naturally come online to stream. I've been doing a lot. So I have to go back to what I'm doing, guys. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm actually going to stream again to you guys tomorrow. So see you guys same time tomorrow. And doing NY today, if I actually see any opportunities in the market, I'm going to call it out for you guys so we can actually make money and just basically make money. So see you guys when we see. Peace and love, and thank you to everyone who tuned into this stream. Massive love. Thank you guys. Much appreciated. See you guys in the next one. Peace.